Hello, and welcome to the Academic Center for Writing presentation on quoting and paraphrasing.
Materials used in a direct quotation must match the source exactly, even if there are errors or misspellings. Direct quotes are set apart in text using opening and closing quotation marks. Parenthetical citations are outside the closing quotation marks, but considered a part of the sentence. Writers will often use a quotation to support a point in their writing and to provide credibility. A writer may want to use the author's exact words because they feel that how someone said something is as important as what they said. In other words, the idea in the quote stands alone without elaboration. This quote is an example of how King expresses civil disobedience with more authority than the writer can because King is a major symbol for civil disobedience. Note that the in-text citation 6 shows the page number of the text being cited. When paraphrasing, the writer is putting an author's words into their own words. The writer must maintain the original meaning of the passage and cite it appropriately. Just as in using a direct quote, paraphrasing is another method for incorporating another author's material, which is why it must be cited. Using a paraphrase rather than a direct quote should link the author's idea with the writer's, offering the audience a more coherent flow of ideas. Paraphrasing strengthens the argument by combining the original ideas of the author with those of the writer as evidence in support of the argument presented. Paraphrasing King, the writer injects an opinion, the right thing, on top of King's authoritative statement. Stop by the Writing Center for any and all questions you have about the writing process.